At some point, you may keep seeing Wi-Fi warning on your iPhone. Like when you connect to a Wi-Fi, you just see privacy warning. And now you don't know what this means and how to turn it off. Then this video is going to walk you through how to fix privacy warning Wi-Fi on iPhone. So what this implies is you connect to a particular Wi-Fi while the Wi-Fi private Wi-Fi address is disabled. So if your iPhone or the Wi-Fi address, private address you connect to is disabled, you are going to see the privacy warning on the Wi-Fi. So this is something you can do in your own case, and it has nothing to do with the ISP or your internet provider. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now for you to be able to fix the privacy warning on Wi-Fi address on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, click on Wi-Fi, then on the Wi-Fi where you see privacy warning, just go ahead and click on the information icon on it. Now, once you click on the information icon on it, you're going to see privacy warning. So this network is not using a private Wi-Fi address. So use a private Wi-Fi address, enable the rotate Wi-Fi address switch below. So just scroll down and then come to where you see private Wi-Fi address, then click on it. Then to fix this, you can either use fixed private Wi-Fi address or use rotating private Wi-Fi address. For security reasons, we advise to use rotating private Wi-Fi address. I'm going to say that says turn on private Wi-Fi address will temporarily interrupt your internet connection. If yes, go ahead and click on OK. Then this is going to disable your internet connection, and after a couple of seconds, your internet connection will be connected again and you'll be reconnected to the Wi-Fi. Now, once you are connected back to the Wi-Fi here, then you're going to see that the private Wi-Fi warning is no longer available. You see that? So that is basically how to fix privacy warning on Wi-Fi on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.